All right, how's the photographer?
Well, this is a kind of camera that I have to look down in the top of it, Marge.
Mm-hmm.
And I notice when I do that, that I get tension in the back of my neck.
Mm-hmm. All right. So you've got your camera,
That's
and
right.
we're going to try to take a picture.
All right.
So the first thing you do, as you open your camera, watch and see what you do with your hands and your whole body to get it ready to use.
All right. Thought it's going to open it.
There you are now. What you do, you start moving your hands up.
All right.
And then you start doing this.
Mm-hmm.
See, that's what you do.
That's right. And I don't need the camera this close to me, really. I'm kind of pulling it up to my face. I don't think I need to do that.
Well, let's see if you... Now, if I start here with you, and I help you here,
Right.
We've tilted your head,
That's right.
and you've opened the camera.
Yes. That feels
And no
different.
photographer I ever have seen ever does this.
That's right.
You just don't
Right.
do that.
Right. This is so much better.
All right, you bring it up where you're...
Right. Now it's easy to do that.
And then as you're doing that, this part of your body is moving up.
Right.
And you see that?
Yes. The camera doesn't feel heavy.
I'm going to move you now.
All right.
What does that do?
Well, that's even easier, Marge. I wouldn't have thought of it, though. Now my whole body is involved.
Your whole body is involved, and your whole body ought to be going this way.
Right.
You see that?
Yes.
All right. So then that's going to do something right in here.
Yes, it does.
If I do that, what does that feel like?
I'm not certain what that is, Marge. It feels like you're
A little bit crooked?
well, it felt like I was longer on one side than the other, I guess. Okay.
What does that do?
Okay, now that gets my whole body really coming up out of my hips. Okay, and it makes my arms feel longer.
All right. Now, you've taken the picture, and you put your camera down,
All right.
and close it up or do what you want to,
All right.
and continue with what I'm helping you with right here.
Okay.
You can move back if you want to.
Okay.
And you can wiggle your seat back and lean against the chair if you want to.
Okay. Feels very nice right here.
All right, stay there.
All right.